Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the status in Slack. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Slack application or go to Slack website from the browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the left bottom of your screen you can see your profile icon. Click on it. Then you can see update your status. Since I haven't updated my status, I'll show you how to update status as well. You can click to it, then you can choose the status timing. Then click to save. Then your status will be posted. To change your status or remove your status, click to your profile icon again. Then you can see your status here. Click on it, then you can change your status, then click to save. This is how you can change your status in Slack. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.